And here's the reason why. Under my umbrella, I don't get wet.
Keeps me dry.
Under my umbrella, I keep dry. So when it's raining, I go out, and like a frog, I splash about. I like the rain. And here's the reason why. Under my umbrella, I don't get wet. Under my umbrella, I keep dry. The rain is falling all around. It makes a splishy, splashy sound. I like the rain.
Hello, Spot.
And you know the reason why. I like the rain. And you know the reason why.
Let's go play.
Okay.
I'll be the red car. You be the green car.
I'm coming over. Oh no, it's time to go home.
All right. Look, Spot. There's a rainbow.
Wow. Oops, I almost forgot my umbrella.
But it's not raining anymore.
I know. But I'll keep it open, just in case.